Assalamuallaikum everyone, hope you are doing well. I'm Nia Fatima and welcome back to my channel Arabic Classes with Nia. In today's video we're gonna learn sports in Arabic. So let's begin. So we have badminton in Arabic as tennis الريشة. Let's repeat, tennis الريشة. Next sport we have كرة السلة, which means basketball. Let's repeat one more time, كرة السلة, which means basketball. Do you know what's our next word? As you can see, our next word is ملاكمة, which means boxing. Let's repeat one more time, ملاكمة, which means boxing. Next sport we have سباحة, which means swimming. Let's repeat, سباحة. Our next sport is hockey, in Arabic known as al-hockey. Let's repeat one more time, al-hockey. Next sport we have kuratul qadam, which means football. Let's repeat one more time, kuratul qadam, which means football. Next sport we have rukub al-khayl, which means horse riding. Let's repeat one more time, rukub al-khayl. So next sport we have karate in Arabic, which is very similar, karate. Next sport we have musara'atun, which means wrestling. Let's repeat, musara'atun. Can you guess what's our next sport? Let's see. Our next sport is volleyball, which means al-kuratu at-ta'irah. Let's repeat one more time, al-kuratu at-ta'irah. Next we have surfing, in Arabic rukub al-amwaj. Let's repeat one more time, rukub al-amwaj. Next sport we have tennis, in Arabic tennis. It is very similar in both English and Arabic. Our next sport is gymnastics, which means رياضات البدنية. Let's repeat, رياضة البدنية. Next we have cycling, which means ركوب الدراجات. Let's repeat, ركوب الدراجات. Next we have skating. It's not just skating, it is ice skating. In Arabic, التزحلق على الجليد. Next sport we have weightlifting. In Arabic, رفع الأثقال. Let's repeat one more time, رفع الأثقال. Next sport we have إدارة, which means running. Let's repeat one more time, إدارة, which means running. Next we have skiing, which means التزحلق. Skiing and ice skating is different. Ice skating is التزحلق على الجليد, but this is التزحلق. Next we have handball, which means كرة اليد. As we know, yad means hand, so it's very easy to identify how to say handball in Arabic. كرة اليد. Next sport we have تسلق الجبال, which means mountain climbing. Question and answer session. Are you ready for that? Let's begin. We have few instructions. There will be 2 questions. Watch the video again to memorize and then start the quiz. 3. If you are not able to answer, there is another chance you can answer. Guess the sport session. You get 5 seconds to answer a question. Answers will be provided right after the questions. So are you ready for that? So let's begin. Now we have question 1. What do you call badminton in Arabic?
Tennis Arisha.
Wow, yes, that's the correct answer. Now we have question 2. What do you call ice skating in Arabic?
تزحلق على الجليد.
Yes, it was تزحلق على الجليد. Guess the sport. This activity must be very fun. So are you ready? So let's begin. Guess this sport. So the answer is tennis الريشة. Can you guess what this sport is? It is ركوب الخيل. Let's repeat. ركوب الخيل. Can you guess what this sport is? It's very easy. It is cycling. In Arabic, ركوب الدراجات. Can you guess what this is? This is swimming. In Arabic, سباحة. Now we have this sport. What do you call this sport in Arabic? It is رياضة بدنية, which means gymnastics. Match the following. Let's see the answers. So first, tennis in Arabic, tennis, they both are very similar. Next we have football, which means كرة القدم, and cycling, which means ركوب الدراجات. Let's repeat, ركوب الدراجات. Next we have our last option, swimming, in Arabic, سباحة. So this is the answer key. If you listen to the video very carefully, you will be able to answer this whole thing correctly. Congratulations! So you finished learning this lesson, sports in Arabic. رياضات. Now we have bonus word. So are you ready to see that? So let's see. Yes, so our bonus word is sports in Arabic, which means رياضات. Thank you, bye, masalama. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you in my next video.